Hello guys, and in today's video I will show you how to create a website through Canva. So as you are here on a home page on Canva, just click on website, create new, and over here you can see a section, and on the left side you can see that some templates that you can use or try. So I will maybe try this one. And you can just simply customize it as you want. Here you can also do a link to your Instagram maybe, or whatever you want. This is how you can simply make for yourself a simple, easy website. You can also do other pages, more pages, and you can also animate it as you want. So you will make it aesthetic, look clean, cool. You can see how it looks on mobile, on desktop. You can just play around with this and that's it. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know what you will want in other videos so I can help you out, and I will see you guys in the next video. So have a nice day and bye.